In 2021, Canada instituted the Net Zero Emissions Accountability Act with the hopes of mitigating the severe effects of climate change. Faced with high-cost investments and limited time, it is critical that industry have a framework to find and implement the most effective solutions. In collaboration with 13 industrial partners specializing in materials manufacturing and energy, UBC has designed a new innovative training program for graduate students to help achieve net zero by 2050. With this challenge in mind, the program aims to stimulate interdisciplinary research, training, and mentorship, focusing in 3 main areas. It also explores the topics of climate justice and the technology's potential to do harm rather than good.
I joined this program because I realized that now more than ever, there's a huge need to process secondary metals and figure out ways to recycle them for future generations.
So in partnership with industry, we've created the Net Zero Create graduate student training program to fast track innovation in order to combat climate change.